In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate Google with the great Notion support services, providing you with an efficient and organized workflow. Let's dive right in and begin by opening up your favorite web browser. Head over to the search bar and type in Notion. It's usually the first link that pops up, so go ahead and click on that. Once you're on the Notion website, you'll want to find the Login button. It's typically located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it, and if you're not already signed in, enter your credentials to access your account. Upon logging in, look for the Marketplace option. This is your gateway to discovering a plethora of add-ons and enhancements for Notion. In the search bar within the Marketplace, type in Para, a popular organizational method developed to enhance productivity. When the results appear, click on the Para method category. Here, you'll find various templates tailored to this method. Pick any template that suits your needs and click on it to open up details about the template. After reviewing and deciding on a template, select the Add button to incorporate it into your workspace. You'll then notice the addition of a new page within your Notion setup. For expanding your organizational structure, click on New Page. This allows you to start adding new projects, a perfect way to keep everything tidy and reachable. Feel free to dive deeper by typing in any project name that comes to mind. Consider the many facets of your life that need special attention, like finance, career, or personal well-being. Notion offers the flexibility to create dedicated sections for each area. For instance, you might start with a finance area. Here, you can attach valuable resources by simply pasting in URLs, giving you quick access to crucial information. As your projects evolve, you might accumulate archives of completed work or notes you'll need in the future. Not to worry, there's a specific area for these to keep your workspace uncluttered. You can store all your archives here for easy management. Setting start dates and deadlines for each project can vastly improve your time management and track your progress efficiently. Notion allows you to input these directly into your project pages, ensuring you never miss a beat. Plus, adjusting the status of each project is a breeze, helping you keep an eye on what's in progress, completed, or on hold. Finally, take some time to explore every button available within the templates and your Notion workspace. Familiarizing yourself with the tools at your disposal will undoubtedly enhance your productivity and help you get the most out of the Notion platform. With these steps, you can now integrate Google and Notion seamlessly, leveraging the power of the Para method to boost your productivity. Feel free to revisit any part of this tutorial as you implement these tools into your workflow. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!